Hey, good evening, Micromep here. Bringing you a post-market video on the stock market today. I had a video that I had done. Who commented? Electronic Dementia had commented on my video if I was mumbling. I was using an older OBS recording platform, and I switched to another one, a newer version. And I think I tested it, supposedly sounding better. I think so. Chime in and let me know if it sounds better. Um, so I'm not no tech guru or anything like that. I wish I were. I do cooler stuff in videos, but I'm just doing basic stuff. Today was the tech sector got hit. The Dow Jones was positive. So we had the Dow Jones up 211, more than 0.5%, and the S&P down 43, almost 1%, and the Nasdaq got clobbered, down 2%. Small caps were up a little bit, 0.25%, and the VIX was up almost 4%. Um, Gold closed at 24.05. Let's take a look at the futures, see if that's accurate. Yeah, pretty much 24.06, 24.05. So that's accurate. Silver up 35 cents, up 1.25 to 28.73, and copper's almost at 450. Now palladium and platinum do not want to participate in this metal rally. Bonds pretty flatline after some gyrations last night, and the 10-year got down to 449, closed at 462. Um, Asian markets were down big overnight, so we'll see what the FKIDX. Today I checked the 401k and didn't make any effect there. We'll see what happens on Monday. Maybe it doesn't reflect that yet. Oil finished up. Now oil was up to 85 and ended up at 83.31, 7.70%. Brent at 87.23, and net gas 176. Really warm here today. I think high of 85 and muggy. I just went for a walk now, and there was a cat trapped in a garbage tank, and a couple neighbors were there trying to rescue it. His head was stuck in part of the garbage. One of those tank guys doing. He's adding on to his house, 2 blocks, not 2 houses down. Not no one next to me, but the one after that. He's doing like a $300,000 addition with like a tiki bar in the back and the pool and stuff. So he got one of these big garbage tanks that they throw stuff in, and on the corner has like these hinges, I guess. The cat's head was in the hinge. I don't know how that cat got in there, but I was able to get him out. They gave him food and water. He's not really moving. Hopefully he recuperates. I'll probably go out there and check him out after the video. I'm sure the people out there trying to see. He's in the shade and he's out there. See, maybe he's in shock. See if he recuperates. So poor thing, little black cat. Um, on the bar chart, so Nvidia got slammed today. So man, I wish I would have waited another day. I did a lot of put credit spreads yesterday. No bueno. Um, was down some today in one of the accounts. One account was down, the other account was up, and precious metals were up. So that's fine. Kind of diversified there. But a lot of these names got destroyed today. Nvidia down 10%, down $84. I mean, that's a big move. Tesla down less than 2%. Apple down 1 to 2. Advanced Micro Devices down 5%, 146. Now these stocks have had huge runs. Um, I'm not getting that call right now. Amazon 2.5%. Meta down 20. Netflix down 55. The expected move was 50, down 55. Super microcomputer down $215, 23%. Big hit there. ARM down down 17, 16%. Microsoft down 5. Micron down 5. Uh, Planeteer down 3%. Mara is a Bitcoin name, up 10%. Bank of America up 3%. Taiwan down 3.5%. So all the semiconductors got destroyed. I mean, it was really, really bad day for tech. Um, Trump up 10%. Coinbase down 3. What did Bitcoin do? I didn't even check Bitcoin. Bitcoin almost at 65K, 64,150, up 500. So and last night I went under 60K. Google down $2. Paramount up 13%. Wells Fargo. So banks did pretty good today. Well, that's why the Dow was up. And energy stocks were up. ExxonMobil. I think I read ExxonMobil passed Tesla on market cap. United has stabilized after keeping going. It was skyrocketed after earnings, probably like 10 straight points. Uber down a little bit. CleanSpark is a Bitcoin name. Um, JP Morgan, another financial up. Marvell chip name down 3. General Electric down 4. American Express came out with earnings. They went up. I tried to do a trade with them yesterday and I didn't get filled, unfortunately, because I would have made money on that one. Avago down 4%. Schlumberger down 2%. So yeah, the Magnificent Seven weren't too magnificent today, but we still have earnings next week. Um, let's see. So 10-year we covered. What did the dollar do today? Dollar. Pretty much nothing, over 106. We talked about Bitcoin. Ether was up a little bit. Hogs up to 105. Feeders were stable, so was cattle. The grains did move today. Need to do some homework on the grains. There was a little bit more life in the contracts. Corn up 6 cents, soybeans up 16 cents, and wheat up 14 cents. Haven't seen them uh, with those bigger, double-digit cent moves. I haven't seen that in a while, so maybe they're starting to perk up. And that's it on the futures. Futures traders had good gyrations last night um, and today. Because we have bounced back to basically unchange on the S&P, and we ended up down 45. So kudos to whoever traded some futures. Uh, Oil pretty flat. Let's see what any headlines here. Didn't do too many trades because I put the trades yesterday, so I was a day early. Unfortunately, I'm sure these missiles over there in Iran didn't help the cause. Nasdaq falls more than 2% to post 6 straight losing day as Nvidia craters 10%. Tesla recalls Cybertruck over trapped pedal. Issue seen in owner's viral TikTok. I think that truck is ugly, bro. But whatever. I gotta do a car video. Was pretty busy today, pre-selling some cars. Gotta do a video on the prices. They've come down some. We got some good deals out there. Fed's Gooseby says more sniffing may be needed before rate cuts. By by 2054, 422 Americans will be over age 100. That's a financial challenge. God, financial challenge. It's a blessing to live to 100. You can live to 100 in good shape. Why Bitcoin halving may not be that big of a deal for long-term investors. Lululemon to shutter Washington warehouse. They have 128 employees. Just reading some of the latest news. Supermicro plunges as investors rotate out of hot AI stocks. Um, So yeah, I mean, we got a lot of earnings next week. I touched about that yesterday. Um, if you have some dry powder, might be a good idea to throw some put credit spreads on some of these big names. I think wouldn't be a bad idea. The premiums are juicy in them. We do have earnings, but there's some good selloffs in some of these big names. I don't think they're going anywhere. If you want to diversify into some technology, I'm still overweight the metals, the miners, energy, and I dabbled a little bit in tech because I really don't have anything. I don't have much in tech besides the. So I have for international exposure, FKIDX. It was down 5 cents, but I'm sure it's gonna come back more down, uh, down more. The high was four. Let me see what it tells me here. 52-week high. 1472 is 52-week high, and the low is 1197. It says it closed at 1399. The other one oops, sorry. The other one, I don't know it by heart. The other one that I have with Fidelity that I started to, because I'm already satisfied with international exposure. The other one that I started adding to is, let me see if this thing pulls up. Not pulling up. I want to say it's a BlackRock fund. Sometimes this Fidelity app is glitchy as very glitchy. Very, very glitchy. All right, let's see here. All right. 1 year return 26%. That's crazy. But the market's been so it's BTC Equity Index T. BTC Equity Index T. I don't have a lot of options in my 401k, which stinks. I hate those. Chime in if you're doing one and what they offer. I hate it. They don't offer anything. And a lot of them are like target 40 years, 20, 80 target fund. I hate those. And the returns are like good. So this is the one I'm in, BlackRock Equity Index T. I think it's mainly big cap. So they have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Google, Meta, more Google, Tesla, Berkshire, and Avago. That's 503 stocks. So most of them I did put credit spreads on yesterday. Uh, they don't really have a lot of options. I have to look at the options now. But this year to date performance, I think it says 26%. 1 year 26%, 3 year 9, 5 year 15, 10 year 12. So it's the best one out of all the ones that I have available to do. Um, if you can't do that, then your next best bet would be the Roth IRA. Make sure you're putting into Roth. I recommend Roth. Pay taxes now. Obviously, we're going to have to pay more tax when we're older along the line to fix this mess. So when you take out money when you're older, if you get there, God willing, you don't have to pay money on that because it's already taxed. So if you maximize the Roth, then go into the regular one. You could do both, if I'm not mistaken. I have to look at the rules, but I think you can. Let me see. Uh, how much can you contribute to Roth IRA? 7,500, I want to say. 6,500 if you're under in tax year 2020. 65 if you're under 50. 75 if you're over 50. Tax year 2024, 7 if you're under 50, and 8 if you're over 50. I wonder if you can put, I don't think you can max out, can you max out both? Uh, can you max out both Roth and traditional IRA? I don't think you can. Oh, wait, let's see. You may contribute simultaneously to a traditional IRA and Roth IRA, subject to eligibility, as long as the total contribute to all, no more than 6,500. So, or 7 grand. So there it is. So you want to go with the Roth, in my opinion. You go with the Roth, max that out, and your 401k if you can. Which I think 401k max is 23. I think 401k max is limits in 20 max contribution 23. I gotta pump that up, pump up the value, try and get into that. They purchase some more precious metals here at all-time highs. Call me crazy. Let's take a coin marketplace, see what the cryptos did, and then we'll end it there. Hope you guys have uh, a great weekend. So market cap is 2.34 trillion, up 1%. There's only 2.4 million, only 2.4 million cryptos, only 753 exchanges. Bitcoin dominance is 54%, and fear greed is 59. And I want to thank again American dementia. I think it's, yeah. And I suffer from electronic dementia, and I suffer from some dementia as well. For pointing out the video, it did sound crappy, and I think this one will sound better. Hope so. I think I fixed it, and I got the better OBS program to do the videos. Anyways, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.